Hello, my dear friends. Welcome back to my new video. I hope you are happy, safe, and doing well today. Today's topic is very powerful and very important for your English journey. Think in English. Speak with confidence. If you want to speak English fluently and naturally, then this video is especially for you. So please watch this video to the end, because today I will share simple but life-changing ideas that can help you speak English with confidence. Part 1. Why thinking in English is important. My dear friends, let me ask you a simple question. When you try to speak English, do you first think in your native language and then translate into English? If your answer is yes, then this is your biggest problem. Because translation makes you slow. Translation makes you confused. And most importantly, translation kills your confidence. But fluent speakers do something different. They don't translate. They think directly in English. And that is the secret. Part 2. How to start thinking in English. Now you may ask, how can I think in English? It feels difficult. Don't worry, I will make it very easy for you. Start with small steps. Look around you right now. See the things near you. For example, this is a table. I am sitting on a chair. I have a mobile phone in my hand. Speak in your mind. No need to speak loudly at first. Just think simple sentences in English. Do this every day, again and again. Slowly, your brain will change, and English will become natural for you. Part 3. Practice speaking without fear. Now let's talk about confidence. Many people are afraid to speak English. They think, what if I make mistakes? What if people laugh at me? But listen carefully. Mistakes are not your enemy. Silence is your enemy. If you don't speak, you will never improve. So start speaking today. Speak alone. Speak in front of a mirror. Speak with your friends. Speak with your phone camera. Even if your English is broken, it's okay, because broken English is better than no English. Part 4. Train your brain daily. Fluency is not magic. It is a habit. You must train your brain every day. Here are some simple daily practices. Talk to yourself in English. Describe your daily routine. Think about your plans in English. Watch simple English videos. Repeat sentences loudly. For example, I am going to the market. I am eating my lunch. I am watching a video. This is called daily thinking practice. If you do this regularly, you will see a big change. Part 5. Stop overthinking grammar. Many learners focus too much on grammar. They think, I need perfect grammar to speak. But this is not true. Confidence comes first. Perfection comes later. Even native speakers make mistakes, but they speak confidently. So don't wait to be perfect. Just start speaking. Remember, communication is more important than perfection. Part 6. Build strong confidence. Confidence is like a muscle. The more you use it, the stronger it becomes. Every time you speak English, your confidence grows. Even if you feel nervous, keep speaking. Tell yourself, I can do it. I am improving every day. I am becoming confident. Your mindset is very powerful. Believe in yourself. My dear friends, many learners try to use very difficult words. They think, big words mean better English. But this is not true. Simple English is powerful. Even fluent speakers use simple sentences. For example, I am happy. I understand this. I need your help. These are easy, but very effective. So don't try to be complicated. Be clear. Be simple. Be natural. Part 7. Listen more, speak better. If you want to speak well, you must listen more. Listening is the key to speaking. Listen to English conversations. Listen to simple videos. Listen to how people speak. Pay attention to pronunciation, sentence structure, tone and rhythm. Then try to copy them. This is called imitation. The more you listen, the better you speak. Part 9. Be patient and consistent. Learning English is a journey. It does not happen in one day. Sometimes you feel excited. Sometimes you feel tired. Sometimes you improve fast. Sometimes you feel stuck. But don't stop. Success comes to those who never give up. Even if you practice only 10 minutes a day, do it regularly. Small steps every day create big results.
Part 10. Take action today. Now, my dear friends, this is the most important part. Take action. Not tomorrow, not next week. Start today. Right now, after watching this video, think 5 sentences in English. Speak 5 sentences loudly. Describe what you are doing. For example, I am watching this video. I am learning English. I feel motivated. Action creates confidence, and confidence creates fluency. Final powerful message. My dear friends, always remember, fluency is not about talent. It is about practice. Confidence is not given. It is built. And English is not difficult if you learn it the right way. So today, remember these powerful lessons. Stop translating. Start thinking in English. Speak without fear. Practice every day. Believe in yourself. If you follow these steps, I promise you, you will speak English with confidence.
So, my dear friends, this brings us to the end of today's video. I truly hope you learned something valuable today. And more importantly, I hope this video gives you the confidence to start your English speaking journey from today. Always remember, you don't need perfect English. You just need the courage to speak. Don't be afraid of mistakes. Mistakes are part of learning. Every mistake makes you better, stronger, and more confident. So please, don't wait for the perfect time. The perfect time is now. Start today. Start with small steps. Speak a little every day. Even if your voice shakes, even if your sentences are not perfect, just speak. Because one day, you will look back and feel proud of yourself. You will realize that you didn't give up. You kept going, and that is the real success. So believe in yourself, trust your journey, and never stop learning. If you found this video helpful, please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to my channel. Also, comment below and tell me, what is your biggest challenge in speaking English? I would love to read your comments and help you in your journey. Thank you so much for watching. Thank you for your love and support. Take care of yourself. Keep practicing, keep smiling, and keep speaking English. See you in the next video.